everyone, Michael here and welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about how to do proper product research for your print-on-demand business. Now, you can also apply the same method that I'm about to show you with your dropshipping e-commerce store as well. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so I just pulled out my browser over here and I want to show you a few different locations that I normally go to, different sites that I normally use to start the initial product research process. And it doesn't matter if you're doing dropshipping or print on demand, these sites will help you tremendously to get ideas, get inspired, and just to see what's out there, what's trending, what is working, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So the first site we have here is Pinterest. Pinterest is a social network where people will pin and repin what they like to their own board. And sometimes you can see the pins, sometimes you can't. We do have programs that we have internally to see what is trending. But if you just scroll through Pinterest, you can see a lot of good designs if you just do a search. So if you're doing a dog niche or whatever niche you want, you just type it into the search box over here. Just do dog t-shirt, for example, and you can get a lot of ideas over here. Now, the whole point is just to see what is trending, what is out there, and how you can get different concepts from these designs and create something that's unique to you, because you don't want to copy anyone's design pixel for pixel, and that is not what you should be doing. And most of the time, if you do that, the sales won't be that great anyways, because you want to be unique and be the first to market. So Pinterest is the first site over here. You can just scroll down to see what is interesting, what is out there. And then if you find something that you like, you can simply screenshot whatever design and put it into a folder, and then go back to that folder and start brainstorming on what kind of design you can put together, different elements, different text, different phrases for your niche. So that is something that you want to think about when you're scrolling through Pinterest. All right, so dog t-shirts, and you can do dog tattoo, because I always say this: if people are tattooing that art onto their body, it means they're super passionate about that design. Of course, these is unique design, so you have to create something. It could be similar, but don't copy anyone's artwork, and just go through, see what kind of concept you can find. Like the heart with the heartbeat and the paw is pretty interesting, but you can take this concept and create something completely different. Alright, so for Pinterest, you can simply just use this as a search engine to search for whatever you want. You can search within niche. So if you're in the dog niche, you can search for dog designs, dog t-shirts, dog memes. So just go through that search phrase, and you can find a lot of ideas. Now you can also search other phrases and other niches to see what is popular in that niche, and see if you can alter the phrase that will match your own niche. So for example, if the beer niche have a lot of funny phrases, you can see if you can take that niche and apply it to the dog niche to create something unique. All right, so sometimes you do have to think outside the box, but there are a lot of ideas out there for you to create something really special for your audience. So Pinterest is a great way to get started. This is actually where I normally go to, just to go down the rabbit hole to see what I can see that is trending right now on the internet. Now, the next place is Etsy. Etsy is a marketplace where people normally have DIY type of product. They'll post it on Etsy. Now, Etsy is growing significantly. There's a huge buyer base and seller base on Etsy at the moment. And a lot of t-shirts here as well. So if we go to dog t-shirts or funny dog t-shirt, you can see a whole bunch of different ideas here as well. And you can see the different star ratings. And as you go through the different listings here, you can actually see other product, other reviews that people are talking about for this specific product. And you can get an idea on what people actually want. And over here, there's some photos and reviews. As we scroll down, we can see more ideas. Now, sometimes if you like a certain vendor or supplier, you can go to their main page and see what else they have over here. All right, and just get ideas from the suppliers that you like. But again, don't copy anyone's artwork. Just use it as reference for your own design. So that's Etsy, and we also have Amazon as well. Amazon is another great place to do your search. And we have our sponsor listing, which I normally skip. I go to the bottom, and when they have sales and reviews, they're normally on the first page, so you can just scroll through the first couple pages to see what is out there as well. If they do have sales, you can actually go into this design and scroll down to the bottom, and it will show you the Amazon bestseller ranking as well. All right, and there's also other ideas over here, related items that you can take a look at. All right, so Amazon also has this plugin that I use a lot called Unicorn Smasher. It's free extension on Chrome, so you can actually click on Unicorn Smasher Chrome plugin over here, and it will pull up some designs, estimated sales, revenue, etc. That can actually help when you're doing dropshipping as well. The next place is Gearbubble. Gearbubble have a lot of jewelries, so if we go to categories over here, you can see all these different subsections on the site, and we also have top sellers, and you can look at what is selling and their sales volume as well. Sometimes you can see that they have some designs on cup and good phrases. Then that is when you want to see if the phrase actually work with your niche, and can you put it onto a different product as well, and can you actually change up the phrase to be a little bit unique as well. So you can see sales volume over here, and just look at the different designs depending on what kind of product you're selling. So Shine On have a lot of heart pendant as well. So if something's working with this specific layout, then you can think about if you can design something similar with this layout, but maybe different text, different design, and that can possibly work as well. All right, so the next place I want to talk about is Google. Not a lot of people actually use Google as a source to find products, but it's actually a really good place. So if you are searching for Shopify stores, you can do a site term like site colon myshopify.com, and then you can do, let's say, dog, and then you can go through these sites, and these are related to dogs. And if you go to these sites, you can actually further analyze the store itself. All right, so this is a dropshipping store over here. We can see the site structure, we can learn more about our competitors, and we can go to shop to see what they're selling. They also have apparels as well. So under collection, we can see the different collections they have over here. If we go to apparels, let's take a look at what they have. All right, so a lot of dog vests over here. We can sort by best selling and see what the best selling items are. So we can actually go through individual sites just to learn about what people are doing on their store, and we just want to keep a note on what is trending and what is hot right now. And if there's something that we can actually get inspired by, we can actually use it for our store as well. So there's a lot of different sites we can actually dig into to learn more about our niche and competitor. So that is another way to search for different stores and ideas for your own store. Now, Google, we can actually do other things as well. We can actually do something like Facebook.com, and then we can search for different phrases for example, to my daughter, let's say necklace, it could be bracelet, but this example, let's search for necklace. We can have a whole bunch of necklace design that pops up over here, and then we can further go down this rabbit hole to see what we can learn about these designs. So actually searching Google for Facebook products that is listed is actually a good idea, because Facebook don't really do so well indexing their own product, but if you go through Google, you can find a lot of good ideas over here. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Sometimes it will take some time just to go through the different sites to find good ideas that you can get inspired by, either by design or the products that you can sell or source from AliExpress. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you are interested, we do have a team that can do the research for you at printlabstudio.com. The link is in the description box as well. But if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.